Kitten Tenders, savory meat wands. Hey, kids! Got the munchies? Going on a rigorous pioneer journey with no refrigeration? Most meat stick snacks too tough for Mommy's precious treasures, little chompers? Well, now there's a new chewy protein tidbit that's also a tangy jerky niblet. New Kitten Tenders, moist savory wands of America's gentlest meat. Kitten Tenders are made from 100% kitten and won't tear away at the soft, fleshy pads of your mouth. New Kitten Tenders come in original and chicken flavored. And coming soon, mini kitten popcorn tenders. Kitten Tenders, savory meat wands.